Okay, this is how you replace the cabin air filter on a 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic. And you're going to open this right here. And this one actually doesn't have these pieces right here, but what you have to do with those is you have to take them out, and that enables this whole thing to drop down. Then you're going to right here grab that, and that's going to expose the two cabin air filters. From there, you're just going to take them out one by one and take this one out. This one is super dark, super dirty, and then just pull this one over right here and take it out, and then obviously replace them. So I had to wait for these other ones to come in, but yeah, that's how you do it.